Okay, guys, welcome to the Jet Janix channel again. And today we are going to discuss the cost of capital. Okay, so what is the cost of capital and how we can define it? Today we are going to discuss the cost of capital, and we can define the cost of capital from the two perspective. Okay, the two perspective means the one is from the company perspective and second from the investor perspective. Okay, now how we are going to define it from the company and investor perspective. From the company perspective, the cost of capital, it is the total amount the company must pay on its capital that the company has raised from various sources like from the shares, bonds, and loan. Okay, the bank loan maybe. And as the company has borrowed this money from various parties, therefore the company has to pay the investor and creditor for their investment, because the investor they invested in order to have some return on their investment. That's why the company must pay them a return. Okay, and like the company has to pay the dividend to the shareholder and interest to the creditors. Thus this amount paid in the form of dividend and the interest to the shareholder and the creditor is called the cost of capital, because this payment will cost to the company. Okay, it is not the revenue, but it is cost for the company. That's why we call it cost of capital. For example, company raised 1 million from share equities and equity shares, and let's say 5,000 from the bond. Okay, and let's suppose that on average the company pays 10% to shareholders and creditors. Okay, these 10% are we can assume the 105,000 is the cost of capital. This is the amount the company must pay to the shareholder and to the creditor. So the $105,000 is the cost of capital for this company. Okay, now from the investor point of view, if we want to define the cost of capital, from the investor point of view, it is the expected return the investor expect on their investment from the company. Okay, because the investor they invested their money to have some return, and that is the basic objective of their investment as well. Okay, in our example, the investor expect on average they expect 105,000 from the company as return on their investment, and thus the investor expected return or the cost of capital for the company. Okay, so it is the cost of capital. I hope you got the main idea what is the cost of capital. So in a nutshell, the cost of capital is the amount the company pay to its various investor for their invested capital. Okay, and we are going to elaborate it further in our upcoming videos, like we are going to discuss the weighted average cost of capital in upcoming videos. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel and like our videos, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like our video, please like and share with your friends. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.